Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm excited to be working with Sally Hansen to show you how to use their Design 3D appliques. Each kit comes with a bunch of textured appliques. This one here is Sally Hansen Design 3D Knit applique, which I love. So it's super easy to use these. First, you want to apply a base color. I'm using Rose to the Occasion from Sally Hansen's Complete Salon Manicure collection. Once dry, pick an applique. I'm going to trim around the edges so it fits better at the base of my nail. Then carefully apply it to the nail. Next, trim the excess off the tip of the nail and gently file any rough edges. Take the base color again and apply it over the entire nail. If you want extra long-lasting wear, top it off with Sally Hansen's Double Duty Top Coat. And now you have some awesome trendy 3D nails that you did yourself. I also have the Sally Hansen Design 3D Geometric Kit that I swatched for you. For this one, I used off the shoulder for the base color, then applied different appliques to mix and match. So that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing how these work. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!